Welcome to BtoB.lk, Sri Lanka's largest business marketplace. Let's see how to use this platform to get information and purchase products. When you open BtoB.lk website, you'll see the home page with the navigation bar featuring all vendors, services, rent products, tenders, and help videos. You can also see the search bar at the top and categories and top-selling products below. There are two main ways to search for products on BtoB.lk. First, you can use the search bar to look for products using product names, company names, keywords, or brand names. Simply type what you're looking for in the search bar and get instant results. The second option is browsing through categories. For example, if you are looking for valves, click on Hardware and Construction in the Categories section and then select Valves. Here you'll see different types of valves available. Let's say you are searching for steel valves. Click on Steel Valves and you'll see all available steel valve products listed from different suppliers. When you click on a product, you are taken to the product details page. On the right-hand side, you can see the vendor's name, address, and contact details. You also have the option to chat directly with the vendor, allowing you to discuss pricing, specification, or delivery before making a purchase. Buyers can choose multiple purchasing options. You can contact the vendor directly or use the Add to Cart or Buy Now options for a quick purchase. If you prefer to get a price quotation, simply click on the Request Quotation button. To request a quotation, you need to register or log in to your BtoB.lk account. This feature is specially designed for procurement officers who want customized pricing and bulk purchase options. If you need a physical copy of the product information, click Print Product Details to download or print the product specifications. BtoB.lk also offers a Compare Products feature. You can compare up to 3 products at once. For example, select 3 different types of valves and click Let's Compare. This comparison view helps you easily evaluate specifications and make informed purchasing decisions. BtoB.lk is designed to make business buying simple, transparent, and efficient. Start exploring products, connect with trusted suppliers, and grow your business with BtoB.lk today.